Welcome to Green Genes Kitchen, where we demonstrate how simple cleaning up after cooking can be. I'm a chemical engineer and a wannabe cook, and my wife has told me hundreds of times that she thinks about cleaning up the kitchen before she ever starts to cook. We'll be utilizing some new-to-the-market cleaning products that put the wow, that was easy back into the cleaning of your kitchen. These products don't contain any harmful chemicals, meaning it's okay to have your kids, as part of their chores, clean the kitchen for you. Each video will be around 30 seconds long. I don't want to waste your time. I just want to give you tips, tricks, how to make it fun, how to make it easy, how to make it effective. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive notifications when the next video is published. And if you should have a question on a thing to clean and how to make it easier, contact me. And contact information on the video, or go to my website, lifespurebalance.com. Thanks for watching.